はい、皆さんこんにちは。漢字の勉強頑張っていますか？今日は250から254までの5つの漢字を勉強します。レベルは JLPT の N3 です。These are the today's kanji. Today's theme is radical, ito. We are going to do a check test before we start. 始める前にチェックテストをします。I want you to see how many you can read before we study. And then we will study together. Then we will check again to see how much you improve. I promise you, if you study with me all the way through, at the end of the video, you will be able to read by yourself. Are you ready? それでは始めましょう。This is how we learn kanji in this video. Our goal is to be able to read new kanjis. If you are interested in writing it, at the end of the video, you have stroke orders as well. This kanji means thin, slim, small. Radical is thread, ito. On is side. Kun is hosoi. Hosoi means thin or slim. Komakai means small. This kanji means picture, painting. Radical is ito. Look at the kanji. Right side, you have this kanji. This means to meet. Out on reading is kai. That's why this kanji's on reading also kai. The other on reading is e. There's no kun reading for this kanji. This kanji means line. Radical is thread, ito. Look at the kanji. Right side, you have white, shiro, and water, mizu. So this is kanji addition. Thread, white, water. Somehow you create the story of this kanji that will help you to memorize this kanji. On is sen. There's no kun for this kanji. This kanji means paper. On is shi. Kun is kami. This kanji means class, team, set, to put together. On is so. Kun is kumi as a noun means class, team, or set. Kumu as a verb means put together. Thin, slim, hosoi. Hosoi is an e adjective, so it's good to remember with the opposite pair, which is thick, futoi. Example, ウエストの細い人になりたい。ウエストの細い人になりたい。Small piece, 細かい。細かい。Example, 細かいお金がありますか？細かいお金 is an expression of small changes. The opposite 細かいお金 is 大きいお金。大きいお金 example, 10,000 yen bill or 5,000 yen bill, we can say 大きいお金。Paint is 絵の具。絵の具 expression, 絵の具セットを買いに行く予定です。絵の具セットを買いに行く予定です。Pictures, 絵画。絵画 expression, 月末に絵画の展覧会を開く予定だ。月末に絵画の展覧会を開く予定だ。 white line, 白線、白線。Each kanji meaning, 白 white, 線 line. Makes sense. White line, 白線。Example, 白線の後ろに立ってください。白線の後ろに立ってください。You will hear this announcement a lot at the station. 新幹線's kanji is this. 新幹線。Expression. 午後7時半の新幹線で大阪へ向かう。午後7時半の新幹線で大阪へ向かう。Blank paper or white paper. 白紙。白紙。Look at the each kanji meaning. 白 white. 紙 paper. Blank paper. Example. 白紙500枚で1200円です。白紙500枚で1200円です。500枚 枚 is the counter unit for thin material like paper. Pair 2人組 Group of 3 3人組 Group of 4 4人組 Example 先生が2人組になってくださいと言った。先生が2人組になってくださいと言った。Step 3 Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. Small pieces, 細かい。Thin, slim, 細い。Paint, 絵の具。Pictures, 絵画。Line, 線。White line, 白線。新幹線。Paper, 紙。White paper, blank paper, 白紙。Pair, 2人組。JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video in the future. I will see you in the next video. また次のビデオで会いましょう。さようなら。